Good morning everyone. Wishing you all a very happy Makar Sankranti. Makar Sankranti is celebrated in our country with a lot of enthusiasm. On this day, people distribute sugarcane with til laddus and everyone is out in the open to fly colorful kites in the sky. So children, why not celebrate this festival by drawing some sugarcanes and a kite in the drawing book? So come with me. Let's begin. To begin with, we will draw two slanting lines like a crisscross on the left hand side of the page. So, take your purple color crayon and let us draw first one slanting line like this and one more slanting line like this. Yes. Now, for the sugar canes, we will use our dark green color crayon to make long leaves. So, a long slanting line and a short slanting line. One more long slanting line and a short slanting line. So, we make 4 leaves for one sugar cane and 4 leaves for the second sugar cane in the same manner. Long slanting line and a short slanting line. Yay! Our sugar canes are ready, children. Now, we will be drawing the kite. So, we are going to use our black color crayon to make one standing line and one sleeping line. So, here we go. A standing line and a sleeping line. Now children, we have got 4 dots. Dot 1, dot 2, dot 3 and dot 4. Now, we will be joining these dots to make the kite. So, let's join the dots with slanting lines and there the kite is ready. Now down at the tip of the kite here we will draw 2 small slanting lines and a sleeping line to make a triangle. Now exactly below the kite we will be drawing a spool. So, we make a sleeping line and 2 small standing lines on either side and again another sleeping line. Now children, to hold the spool, we shall draw 2 small sleeping lines on the either side of the spool. Okay, now we need one more thing to fly the kite. Yes, we have to draw a string for the kite to make the kite fly. You can take any color to draw the string. I will be using my pink color to draw the string. Now, let's make some tassels for the kite. I will be using my maroon color to make 2 small tassels for my kite. Now children, you all know to draw a sun. So on the top corner here, you will draw a sun and with the black color crayon, we are going to draw few birds around the kite. So, we write letter V to make the birds. Very nice. Now, at the bottom of the page, we shall make some grass. So, with our dark green color crayon, we are going to draw some grass to make a picture look more beautiful. And now, time to color the entire picture we have drawn. So we start with the sun. We color the sun yellow. And now we color the kite. Children, you can use any colors to make your kite look colorful. Now, remember to color the spool. Use the color which you have drawn the string to color the spool. So, I will use my pink color crayon to color my spool. Now, children, with the ochre yellow, you can roll the crayon to make the ground, and with your light blue, you can roll the crayon to make the sky. There! The sugar canes and the kite is ready. Sankranti wishes to all of you.